Hello friends, welcome to my study channel TechVirtua. Today we are going to discuss the Java command line arguments. So if you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so you will get the notification of my new videos. Command line arguments in the Java are basically used to pass the input to the main methods. So the signature is public static void main string args. That means the syntax we have to follow during write the main methods. The public is an access specifier and the static is a keyword which is used to create the static methods. Void means the main method do not return anything that specify using the void keywords, and then main is the name of the methods and then specify the string args, that is the input to our main method. It is an array of string type in we specify the name args and the square bracket that signify that it is an array of string type. As the name suggests, arguments are passed during the execution of your program through the command line. That means we have used the terminals or the command prompt to execution of our program. Along with that execution, the name of the class we have used, and along with the name of the class we pass the list of parameters as an input to our program of different data types, and that's all the parameters are stored into the args type of array, that is a string type of array. Then opening brace and closing brace of the main methods in which we specify the set of statements. So let's discuss here the example. Here we define the class main, then we define the main method public static void main string args. It is an array of string type. Then we specify system.out.println command line arguments are. Here we want to print all the command lines arguments that are input by the user or the execution of that program. So here we use the for each loop, and in which we have specified the string str as an index or the for loop control variable, and then specify the name of the our args array, and then system.out.println, and it will print the each elements of that args array as a string using system.out.println. So whenever user provide the input to the main method, that will be print using this array. So let's start with the execution of the program using the command line array. Here I am using the Linux operating system. Here I use the text editor for the program. So define the class. Here we define the class public class demo1, then public static void main string args. These are the inputs to our main methods which is passed through the command line. Then opening brace. Here we want to add the two integer numbers that are input through the command lines. So we are defined here the variable integer a equal to. So our command line arguments are in the form of string type, so we need to pass that string for the integer number. So we use here the wrapper class integer, which is already defined in the Java, and the method name parse int. Integer is a wrapper class and the static method parse int that will parse our string and convert to the integer data type. Here we read the first argument of the args array, so args of 0, that will be stored into the integer a. And then we read the second integer value in the variable b, and here we read the second argument from the args array. So index always start with the 0, and 0 element is passed to the integer value a and first element is passed to the integer value b. Now perform the addition of these two numbers using third variable integer c equal to a plus b, and now print the result using output statement system addition is and print the result C. Now complete the main method and complete the class. So here we are write the program in which we have read the two command line arguments and stored into the integer value a and integer value b, and then c equal to a plus b and print the result. Now save this program using name demo1. This is a class name .java extension we have used, and save the program. Now use the terminal here to execute this program. First of all, we will write here the Java C as a compiler name. Java C is a compiler, and then specify the source code file name, that is the demo1.java. Now enter. After compiling, there is one error, symbol cannot found, args. Here is a agrs, so change the name of the variable args. Save the changes and again compile this program using Java C compiler. So after compiling, it will generate the class file. So run this program Java, then specify the name of the class, demo1 along with the command line arguments. Here we pass the two values, first one is 456 and second one is 678. So this is an args of 0 and args of 1 in a string form. In the string form we have passed to our command line and then enter. So it will print the addition 1135. 1135 is an addition. So args of 0 stored the value 345, args of 0 stored the value 3456, and args of 1 stored the value 678, and after we are performing the addition of these two numbers. So this is a simple program for command line arguments. So thank you for watching.